Hey, how you doing everybody? This is John. I'm doing another video. So this is going to be for the setup of the Crosse Technology Atomic Digital Wall Clock model number W79752. W79752. Alright, so it's pretty much basically, if you've ever seen on my YouTube channel, I already did one video of the Crosse Technology Atomic Digital Wall Clock, model number W86111, okay? But this is a different unit, okay? For model number W79752, I'll take you through the basic setup steps for this unit. The very first thing that you're going to do when you unbox it, you're going to make sure that you have everything. You have your manual, okay? You have your main unit, you have your outdoor unit, and make sure that you got 4 AA batteries, okay? So basically what we're going to start with, the outdoor unit, okay? We're going to insert them. Okay, you're going to see that there's a light on. That'll show you that the unit works. Okay, put the cover in. There you go. And then now we'll start with the main unit. The main unit, okay, you take it and you flip it over. All right. You're going to put in the batteries like that. You're going to hear that beep. That'll tell you that the unit is working and it's on. Okay. All right, put the cover on just like that, and then we're going to go ahead and reverse it. Okay, and there we go. Although it's on, it's not set, so now we got to set the time for everything. Okay, now you don't have to worry about setting up for the moon phase part, because that will automatically set once you set up the date and everything. All right, the only buttons that you really need to be concerned about, because it's really easy to do, is the 3 buttons: the set, the plus, and the minus. So first of all, we'll put it back down. Okay, we'll hit set. Yes, you want it in English. Beep on. Atomic, so it automatically sets. Automatic daylight savings time. Central, no, I am going to choose Central. Format 12 hours, or you can have 24 hours. Okay. Right now, the time is 12:20. So I'm going to set it for 12:20. Now I'm going to set the year, 2021. The month, which is September the 17th. September. And I'm going to set it for the 17th. Fahrenheit, for it to measure in Fahrenheit. And there you go. It automatically set up the unit, okay? And it also, when you place this unit, when you have this unit, put the batteries next to this one, it automatically sets it up. So now all I have to do is just put it outside, okay? So, like I said before, the time right now is 12:20, okay? So you have the hour, the minute. It automatically set up the moon phase for you, okay? You have the outdoor temperature. Today is Friday, September the 17th. It's 84 degrees outside here in San Antonio, Texas, okay? And there you go. Very quick and easy setup. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe, comment, and like. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave any questions in the comment block. All right, I'll answer them as quickly as I can. This was the setup for the Crosse Technology Atomic Digital Wall Clock, model number W79752. And thank you and have a great day.